My name's Tom Cozzolino. I'm a facilitator here with Code Savvy, working at our hackathon today with students ranging from ages 8 to 18.
It's an opportunity to learn how to program to solve a problem.
Right now, the students are brainstorming what challenges they see in society and how code can solve it.
This is one of our bigger student events that we've done in a while.
And the energy is really palpable. I can feel it.
I decided to get involved in Code Savvy because I wanted to be connected with the tech community and to pass on my knowledge onto the next generation.
And being able to take that and give back to the community in this way has been a gift for me.
Oh, the kids teach me what it means to be curious.
Being able to provide accessibility to the underserved and underrepresented.
I was really drawn to its mission of providing inclusive computer science.
To help people of all ages and all groups.
Learning to code and engaging and innovating with technology is definitely a game changer.
I think one of our favorite parts about today is walking around and just seeing all of the smiles.
And by the end of the day, they're working as a team, they're talking, they're creating really cool things together.
And I feel like they really value the fact that their voices can be heard through their work.
Just so cool to see that kind of imagination take off like that.
It really makes it all worth it.
We hope they leave excited about what they've learned and continue learning. That's our biggest hope for today.
I'm gonna come back.
Learn,
Create,
And innovate
with
with
Code
Code
Savvy.
Savvy.